If you found yourself needing emergency roof repairs in Hurst, Texas, you may be in quite a tough situation. But in all the hurry and confusion to get your roof repaired, it's important to keep a few things in mind. One of the things to know about emergency roof repairs is that even minor damage warrants a repair. Far too often, homeowners may put off minor repairs now, but end up shelling out thousands more for a replacement in the future. If you notice any flipped or missing shingles, sudden leaks, sagging sections of your roof, or visible damage, it's important to have a pro take a look. You might even be tempted to perform the repair yourself. But after a bad storm, there's no telling what the outside conditions are going to be like. The ground may be soft and muddy, making using a ladder difficult. And your home's roof may be slick, slippery, and dangerous to walk around on. For this reason, it's important to put your safety first. Don't expect quick fixes to solve all of your problems either. Lower budget roofing contractors often promise great prices, but the results are hardly worth even the lowest price you'll find. In the world of roofing repairs, you get what you pay for. If you're ever in doubt, contact a team like First Texas Roofing. They provide reliable emergency roofing repairs in Hurst, Texas that will protect your home for many years.